Now we're going to talk about modules and functions in Elixir. Elixir, being a functional programming language, revolves around modules and functions. Let's start by understanding how to define a module and create functions in Elixir. In Elixir, we use the def module keyword to define a module. Here we define a module named math. Inside the module, we use the def keyword to define a function. We define a function named sum that takes two parameters a and b. The function body performs the addition operation a plus b. Outside the module, we call the sum function using the module name math and pass arguments 3 and 4. The result of the addition is assigned to the variable result. Moving on, let's explore function arity and pattern matching in Elixir. In Elixir, a module can have multiple functions with the same name but different arities or the number of parameters. In the greetings module, we define two versions of the greet function, one with an arity of 1 and another with an arity of 2. When calling the greet function, Elixir uses pattern matching to determine which function to execute based on the number of arguments provided. Here we call the greet function with one argument Alice, which matches the function with arity 1 and prints hello Alice. Then we call the greet function with two arguments, Carlos and Spanish, which matches the function with arity 2 and prints hola Carlos. Lastly, let's explore function clauses in Elixir. Function clauses. In Elixir, we can define multiple function clauses with the same name but different arities or patterns. In the calculator module, we define two function clauses for the add function. The first clause adds two numbers a and b, while the second clause adds three numbers a, b, and c. When calling the add function, Elixir matches the appropriate function clause based on the arity or pattern of the arguments provided. Here we call the add function with two arguments, 2 and 3, resulting in result 1 being added 5. We also call the add function with three arguments, 2, 3, and 4, resulting in result 2 being assigned 9. So that concludes our exploration of Elixir modules and functions. We've learned how to define modules, create functions with different arities, leverage pattern matching, and function clauses. Elixir's module and function system gives us the flexibility to write expressive and reusable code.